Temperatures getting down into the mid to upper 70s, mostly cloudy skies, southeast wind 10 to 15. Let's head out the door tomorrow morning with kind of warm to mild, mild to warm, 80 by 8 a.m. and mostly cloudy skies. But the mostly cloudy will turn partly cloudy moving from morning to noon, and then by afternoon there we are at the 93 mark, maybe 95 up toward Rio Grande City. Southeast winds and sunshine working together to make it feel very valley out there, folks. This is going to be a textbook example of what a July 4th holiday forecast should be for the Rio Grande Valley. Looking at 92 degrees Brownsville, 94 McAllen, 93 in the middle at Harlingen, 92 Raymondville. Now, South Padre Island, 84 degrees, 82 degree water temperature for you. Surf be about 3 to 4 feet, getting down to 2 to 3 feet for much of the weekend, and just absolutely perfect. So there you go. Whatever you want to do this weekend, get out there and do it. The fireworks forecast, in other words, this evening, 8 to 10, 84 degrees, ending up at 80 degrees, southeast wind 10 to 15. And there you go, partly cloudy skies. I can remember as a kid having a fire in the fireplace on July 4th one year in West Michigan. So, wow, this is a lot better than that. All right, holiday forecast runs you through today, tomorrow, and the next day. And we're looking at, I should say, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And we're talking about 93 degrees, partly cloudy skies, southeast winds, just a little bit, just modest. And the heat index, though, 104 to 106 degrees. So be sure that you're drinking lots of bottled water. Make sure the pets have shade and water. You know the drill. The drought monitor is updated. This is the latest edition this week, and it always comes out on this day. And we're talking about not being on the map at all. This is like the third or fourth run without us having any substantial impact from drought on the map. So that's saying something. And you can see our monthly totals. Look at that. We're only in the third day of the month, and we're already to nearly 5 inches of rain for Brownsville and 2 inches of rain plus for McAllen, and ahead on all locations. And we should have had just a couple of tenths of an inch by this time, but no, we're seriously ahead. And these numbers are for the year. Look at Harlingen has already basically reached its yearly total in July, early July, and about 18 inches ahead. I tell you what, it's definitely good times in terms of rain. Tropical weather, well, there's a little something something over there by Florida, and it looks like it's going to just come on up the East Coast. We'll keep you updated, but there's no threat to the valley whatsoever. The only threat to the valley is with the dust and the lower air quality through the next 7 days and probably beyond, as we still have this river of dust coming off Africa and sailing across the Atlantic and heading toward Texas, reducing our air quality. 7-day forecast shows that, by the math, those mosquitoes ought to be flight worthy and all that by early next week. That's bad news.